Well, March Madness is living up to the name today. High Point pulled off a stunner over Wisconsin, winning 83-82.
Duke was on upset alert for quite some time. They trailed by double digit at halftime to Siena, which has not happened before to number 1 seed, but they pulled it away in the second half. Moving on in the tournament, UNC will take on VCU at 6:50.
And important, of course, to talk about this now. The NCAA says around 60 to 100 million people will fill out a bracket each year.
Yeah, while it can be fun, of course, to do it with friends, maybe families, or even co-workers, it can also lead to some negative impacts. WCNC Charlotte's Meghan Bragg explains the everyday impact that filling out a bracket can have on your mental health.
Whether it's an office pool or one with family and friends, there can be a lot of money on the line. Health officials say while this can be a good time, it depends on how much you've invested in the tournament itself, which can cause some negative impacts.
Watching sporting events such as March Madness can absolutely impact our mental health, both from a positive standpoint and also a negative standpoint. It depends person to person, the level of engagement, and also can depend on any kind of pre-existing mental health symptoms or disorders.
Cleveland Clinic sports psychiatrist Dr. Honaker says those close games can turn into stress and emotions can get harder to manage, especially when there's money on the line.
It's very important to make sure that you're taking breaks, especially when those emotions get really intense, to kind of reshift focus, reset. If possible, go for a walk. Just get some steps in around your house. Do some deep breathing.
Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center states when betting on sports, remember to take your time and be intentional and pay attention to how much you're investing. There's also a positive side to all this madness. Dr. Honaker says watching sports can bring people together and decrease loneliness. The games can also give people something to look forward to and provide an escape from everyday stress. Meghan Bragg, WCNC Charlotte.